You may have been one of the millions of people who were told about the importance of having a credit mix, meaning a mixture of different types of credit, revolving credit such as your credit cards, and installment credit such as a car payment or student loans or a personal loan. However, how important is it really for you to have a mixture of different types of credit? To answer that question, you first have to understand a little bit about how credit is formed. The maximum credit score that you can get is an 850, and credit mix is 10% of your FICO credit score. So 10% of 850 is 85. So if you were to subtract 85 from 850, you would get 765, meaning if you got 0 points for having a credit mix, but everything else on your credit report was good, you would still have a credit score that's well above 700. That being said, it's not that important for you to have a mixture of different types of credit. I'm not saying don't have a credit mix. What I am saying is don't be intentional about opening up lines of credit just so that you can have a credit mix. Be intentional about keeping your credit cards paid down below 30% of the credit limit. That's going to help your credit score out a lot. Be intentional about paying all of your bills on time every month. That will help you avoid any late payments, and it'll help you avoid having any new collections showing up on your credit report. Those are the things that are going to impact your credit score a lot more than just having a mixture of different types of credit. As is the case with just about everything that I talk about, this is specific to home ownership. It is not required nor is it necessary for you to have different types of credit in order to get approved for a loan to purchase a home. There are individuals who only have one credit card, yet they can get approved to purchase a home. There are some individuals who don't even have a credit score and they can get approved to purchase a home. It's not necessary for you to have revolving and installment lines of credit just to get approved for a mortgage.